but you know, it helps sometimes if you back up. You can pull it right up on the beach.
Really, I'll leave this.
Hey, good job.
Good fish.
So cute.
Isn't it pretty? It's one of the most beautiful fish. Look, right on the top. You want to see if you can hold it? It's so cute. What a pretty fish. There you go. Want to hold it?
Do I hold like this or hold it?
Whatever you can kind of get a hand on it. 'Cause it's probably gonna
Try to cradle it.
How's that?
She's like, come on. Yeah, look at it.
I see it.
Good chat, too.
Let me get a close up on it.
In the water.
Good job.
Want to stand right there by the water?